everyone, welcome back to our HTML series. In today's video, we are diving into two important topics that help you write cleaner and more meaningful HTML: attributes and semantic tags. You've probably seen these in our earlier videos, but today we are taking a closer look to explain what they actually do and why they matter. Let's start with HTML attributes. Think of attributes like notes that give extra instruction to your HTML elements. They always go inside the opening tag and add more meaning or behavior. Some of the most common attributes you'll come across include href, which tells a link where to go. src tells an image where the file is. Alt describes the image if it can't load, which is also great for accessibility. Style adds inline css. Even though you'll only use these in practice, it's good to know that you can add styles to your HTML. Class and ID help with applying styling and connecting to JavaScript. Here is an example of them in play. You'll see these attributes a lot. They help define how elements behave, how they look, and how they connect with styles and scripts. Over time, using them becomes like second nature. Next up is semantic HTML. These are special tags that clearly describe their purpose, both to humans and to machines like search engines or screen readers. Instead of using a bunch of divs everywhere, semantic tags give your page structure and meaning. Examples of semantic tags you've seen or will come across all the time is the header for the top of the page, nav for your menu or navigation links, main content for the main content, article for blog post or standalone content, section to group related content together, and the footer for the bottom part of the page. Using these tags improves your SEO, makes it easier to maintain, and helps assistive tags like screen readers understand your content. Here's an example of a semantic HTML layout. You can compare that to using only div tags. This version is cleaner, easier to understand, and more powerful. A quick recap: what you've learned is that HTML attributes add meaning or behavior to elements. Attributes like href, src, and alt are key to linking images and accessibility. Semantic HTML tags help organize your page with meaning. Using tags like headers, nav, main, and footer instead of just divs is important. Great job on getting through this one. Up next, we'll explore how to embed images into your website, like videos, music, and even Google Maps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell so that you don't miss anything. See you in the next video.